I hope everybody's doing well. Today, I want to talk about the weather. Can you look outside your window and tell me what the weather is like? Wow, really? Thanks for sharing that with me. Now, I have another question. Do you know what the temperature is like outside? That means, is it hot? Is it warm? Is it cool? Is it really cold? What's the temperature like outside? Huh. Interesting. Well, thanks for sharing all of that with me. And I'm going to do something really silly. I'm going to turn myself into the weather wizard. And I'm going to turn the weather into a bunch of delicious treats for you and for me to eat. We're going to sing a silly song about it. Are you ready? Can you help me? All right, let's do it. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, so what a rain that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, saying ah ha 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 ha. If all of the raindrops were lemon drops and gumdrops, oh what a rain that would be. If all of the snowflakes were chocolate bars and milkshakes, oh what a snow that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, saying ah ha 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 ha. If all of the snowflakes were chocolate bars and milkshakes, oh what a snow that would be. If all of the sunbeams were lemonade and ice cream, oh what a sun that would be. I'd stand outside with my mouth open wide, saying ah ha 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 ha. If all of the sunbeams were lemonade and ice cream, oh what a sun that would be. Wow, thank you for singing with me. Wouldn't that be cool if the weather was really all of those tasty treats? Well, I hope you learned a little bit about the weather and a little bit about the temperature today. I hope you have a beautiful rest of the day. See you later.